this is Cherie for Just Nailed It. Today we are going to be doing a fall Thanksgiving-ish manicure. I got some yellow and blue nails here, which I don't know if they work at this time of the year, but that's what we're going to use. I have got some decals off Amazon that I'm going to be using. You got, I forgot how many, if it was 10 sheets, but just do a search for Thanksgiving nail stickers. And these shall pop up. These are really super cute. Let me show one at a time here. Really super cute. They have others with leaves. Christmas ones. So I've got those soaking. We're going to be using some bling, some AB, and a few of maybe the red or the golden. I'm not really certain yet, but these are super pretty. Super pretty. So we're going to be using those. I've got my Ice Cube Stamper by Maniology to use to pick my decals up. We're going to see if these puppies are ready yet. Oh, they are. I need to put some stencil glue on, some glue gel, and re-cure them. I'm going to do this over both of the yellow nails. Sorry if I was out of frame. I got my camera thing is moved and I can't get it to situate right, so where my hand usually is right here, it's like I'm out of frame. And I'm very terribly sorry for that. I got a couple videos that I noticed that in when I was editing. Like last week, She Modern was like that, which I'm terribly, terribly sorry about. If you haven't already done before and you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell, click all, that way you get notified of all future giveaways, all uploads, and any useful information I think you might need to know. If you've got a minute, why don't you go check out Leo Diva, L-E-O, Diva, D-I-V-A. She is a small channel, YouTube. She just hit her first 100, and she's been on YouTube for like 5 years, I think it was, she said, 4 or 5 years. And I guess she's had a hard go of it trying to get subscribers, and I'd really, really, really like to help her out. So if you can find it in your heart to head over to Leo Diva, I'd greatly appreciate it. Let her know that Just Nailed It sent you. Our nails are ready. So dab off. We're going to try this one more time. They should stick this time. There we go. Get up my silicone tool. So there's my doggy. My dog. I should have probably put more than just the 2 nails. Let me see. I think I may put the pumpkins under the turkey. Oh, Mercedes, what's wrong with Mama's baby? Mercedes. What's wrong with Mama's baby? Okay, yeah, I should have done more nails than just the 2. We got another little turkey going on here. I'm sorry, I'm out of frame again. A traditional looking turkey. I'm going to look for my Pewty top coat. This is off Amazon and it is a no white top coat. This is a sister company to Umic. Check them out for your nail polish needs. They have a lot of 21-piece collections. I have a brain fart, I couldn't think. Do you hear my doggy whining and crying? I do not know why. Here's my crybaby. She's 14. I used to have 4 Chihuahuas. One was a Pomeranian. She passed away recently. And then now it's just Mercedes left with us. God love her. I want to hold on to her as long as I possibly can. She is my crybaby, as you can probably hear. Mercedes! What's wrong with my baby? So I'm going to get my bling out. I'm going to start on these nails. I'm going to pause for 1 minute and take care of her. I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. I think my puppy, my doggy, has a bellyache. And I've also discovered why my decals aren't coming off the paper. This sheet is stickers, so we're gonna go in with the Pilgrim's hat. Whoa, Nelly. Where did it go? Shoot. Man. I don't know where it went. Well, if I can only find the other one now, that would be beautiful. Guess we can take these out of the water. Because they not water decals. Some, these are not. Sadybug. I found the other Pilgrim's hat. There we go. There we go, there we go. Now we know why. So we're gonna go in with their bling now. We're gonna put these on each one of the nails, the golden. And then we're gonna get some of our ABs. And add some down the center of the nail. I'm gonna pour a few out. That way in the long run it will help me. Alright, we are on our way. And I'm hoping I'm in frame. I'm hoping I'm in frame. And these containers, I think, are mixed sizes. I'm not certain. Check and see if I'm in frame. Oh, come on. They don't want to cooperate. There we go. We got 1, 2, and 3. Mercedes. I know you heard that one now. Her don't feel good. So we're going to pop these in the lamp, get these a full 60-second cure. Alrighty, we are back. Here are our nails fresh out of the lamp. I think they turned out pretty cute. Nice Thanksgiving nails with the turkeys, the pumpkins, and the pilgrim's hats. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell, click all, that way you get notified of all future uploads, giveaways, and any useful information you may need to know. Thank you, and have a blessed day.